Welcome back in this session. We have seen the for loop, if condition, and in this section we are going to understand the while loop. So while loop is again the simplest loop where it's you can use in your scripting. So how do we use the while loop? So you can see the while loop, that's a syntax is very easy. That's a while, you have to give the while and the condition. So if the condition gets true, it will do the command execution in between do and done. So it's a really easy and you can use for the while. So how we are going to use in our script? So this is the example here. So we have to define the variable over here using the value 0, and I'm increasing that value 0 to 0 to the plus 1, and when it reach to 10 it will stop my loop. So I know the condition where I want to stop my loop, so that's why I'm giving the condition true false. So when a's value is less than equal to 10, it will get stopped. So here I'm giving the echo $a, that will it will print the a value, and we are increasing the a value in plus 1. So let's create the same script in our script. So I'm creating here while example.sh. So defining a variable as 0, giving the condition while. Make sure you pass the proper space here. So $a less than 10. Do done. So in between do done we will do execution of our statement here, that echo $a. So we are printing here. Now we are increasing the a value. So expression will be used for here to doing the any mathematical operation here. So I'm increasing my value plus 1. Okay, so now our value will be increasing plus 1. It will be print value incrementally, and when it reach to the 10, it will get stopped. So let's run this script. Okay, so now it's started the 0 to 9 and its loop gets stopped. So let's look again the syntax here. So this is really easy syntax. You can see that's a while and give the condition and pass your commands here.